Welcome to Tubify, your ultimate destination for luxury and tech insights. Today, we're diving into the legendary Rolex Submariner and uncovering the potential upgrades that could redefine its legacy. What exciting innovations might Rolex bring to their iconic dive watch? Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss these exclusive details. A fresh take on iconic design. While Rolex is known for subtle design changes, the next Submariner may offer a sleeker, more contemporary look while staying true to its classic DNA. We could see thinner lugs, a slightly refined bezel, and new dial colors, possibly a green sunburst dial or a matte finish ceramic bezel. The crown guards might also be redesigned for a more ergonomic profile, enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Upgraded movement with improved accuracy. Rolex is likely to upgrade the movement to a new caliber 32-35 or beyond, pushing the boundaries of precision and performance. With an extended power reserve of up to 80 hours, anti-magnetic components, and enhanced shock resistance, the next Submariner could offer unparalleled reliability. Rolex's proprietary chronergy escapement would further improve energy efficiency and ensure precise timekeeping. Enhanced water resistance. The Rolex Submariner has long been celebrated for its 300-meter water resistance, but the next model might push this further to 500 meters, catering to professional divers. Coupled with a helium escape valve, this upgrade would make the Submariner even more capable in extreme underwater conditions, solidifying its reputation as a professional-grade dive watch. Advanced materials for durability. Rolex might introduce next-generation materials to enhance durability and performance. A potential upgrade could include a Cerachrom bezel insert with improved scratch resistance or a Grade 5 titanium case to reduce weight while maintaining strength. The use of Evros gold or Rolesium, a blend of steel and platinum, in new variants could add a touch of luxury and versatility. Innovative bracelet and clasp adjustments. The iconic Oyster bracelet is expected to see minor yet meaningful upgrades. Rolex could introduce a quick adjustment system for on-the-fly resizing and enhanced comfort. A more refined glide lock clasp with additional increments could make the bracelet even more adaptable for various wrist sizes and diving suits. Eco-friendly and sustainable manufacturing. With a growing emphasis on sustainability, Rolex may incorporate environmentally friendly practices into the manufacturing of the new Submariner. From responsibly sourced materials to improved energy efficiency in production, this approach could appeal to eco-conscious luxury buyers while maintaining the brand's high standards of quality. Improved luminescence for better visibility. The chromolite display used in current Submariners already offers exceptional legibility in low-light conditions, but the next iteration might enhance this further. A brighter and longer-lasting luminescence could make the dial even more functional for night dives or dimly lit environments. New variants and special editions. Rolex might surprise fans with limited edition or special variants of the Submariner. These could include unique bezel colors, textured dials, or exclusive materials. A commemorative model celebrating the Submariner's rich history or a collaboration with a notable ocean exploration organization could also generate significant buzz. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the Rolex Submariner and its exciting potential upgrades. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tubify and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews, leaks, and updates. See you in the next video.